unitQ is a company that helps other companies to monitor and improve quality of their products. So we started this company in 2018. Me and my co-founder Nick, we used to build consumer-facing products. And it was during that experience we found out that it's really, really hard to make sure the product works as it should everywhere. Because in reality we have too many devices, too many platforms, too many releases. The product is almost like a living organism. So how do you make sure that it works for Android users on Polish language, or that it works for iOS 15 recently upgraded users in Sweden? What we found is that quality is sort of a underserved market. And we have great instrumentation and great analytics platforms for basically everything to describe a business except quality of the product. So this was a shortcoming that we found as we were building our last company, and we decided let's build a quality company. So that's what unitQ is. And it really harnesses the output that customers and users produce every day. So that can be tickets we send to support, it can be reviews in the App Store, it can be tweets, literally anywhere where users leave feedback. We harness that, and we can then tell the companies where they might have to polish this diamond that they built. If you think about user experience, and then you have user expectations. Okay. So when you're using a product, may it be a fintech app or Spotify or what have you, and as a customer or user, you have an expectation of how this product should work. But then you also have how it manifests itself, so the actual experience. And sometimes there'll be a gap in between experience and expectations. And that's what we call a quality issue. And then you as a consumer, you may report this. So you will then send tickets, or you will drop reviews in the App Store, you'll post something on Reddit. So what we do is that we harness all of that feedback data, and we then neatly package it into a machine, and then we use machine learning to extract all of these signals from that data set. Think about it as all the users of a particular product, they're producing all of this data, telling the company, what do we need to fix next? But the struggle that the companies have is very, very hard to extract signals from that data set. It's very noisy, it's in many places. So with unitQ, we can basically aggregate all of these channels into one repository, and then we can let you know that, hey, password reset link is not working anymore, or password reset emails are not being delivered, or the CAPTCHA that you serve your customers when they're trying to reset their password isn't working. So we can get very granular, fine-tuned signals. So ultimately what we help companies do is to fix the right quality issues faster. As a result of that, you see less support tickets being created. You see higher engagement of the product. You see less churn rate of the product. So quality is such an incredibly important part of any product, really. If you were to take two products, they have exactly the same feature set, but one has higher quality. The one with higher quality will win.